Hey everybody, Angry Sarge here to show you something that I won from a pretty cool channel that I really appreciate that is in our community. Um, she had a live doing a giveaway at her 100 subs. It's Carol Lee with Conversations with a Vet, and I really like that channel. I really like the fact that us veterans get to tell our story because we don't have very many places we can go and just tell our truth of all the things that happened to us, all the struggles, the good times, anything like that, or even the resources that we use to help us out whenever we needed something or help another fellow veteran or something like that. So having a place to go and tell your story is just as important as me doing a review on a product or some other YouTube channel doing their content or something like that. It just gives everybody a chance to really talk about the things that they went through and how they made it out of it, or what resources, things like that. So on that, I don't want to keep this too long. I just want to say thank you, Carolee, for allowing me to come on your show, and thank you for this awesome prize that I won. Um, so let's get into it. Let's open it up. So we know it's a tumbler, obviously, because it's right here on the box. But it comes with a nice metal straw and a brush to clean it. And then, of course, the logo, Conversations with a Vet. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who supports me and watches my stuff, even though it can be a little long sometimes, drawn out, if you want to call it that. But go check out her channel. Go see what some of these vets are doing and how they got through with stuff. It's just, to me, I think it's cool to hear other people's stories and see how they triumphed over, adversity or, anything like that that could maybe help someone who's struggling right now or who needs help. So, as a community, we can only get better if we support each other. So, like I said, go support Carol Lee and what she's doing over there. I think it's cool, and I would appreciate it. I know she would appreciate it. And on that, thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.